Hi there, it's Naya here. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this simple but amazing hair treatment for longer hair and prevent hair breakage and hair loss. If you want to see how I made this, keep on watching and make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and let us just dive right into the video. So what we'll be needing to make this simple hair treatment is just one thing, which is a watermelon. Now let me tell you, watermelon is rich in potassium, calcium, vitamin B6, vitamin C. So the high content of vitamin C in watermelon helps in promoting healthy hair. It also helps boost blood circulation on the scalp, which promotes healthy hair growth. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be chopping them up in small bits and then adding them into the blender, including the seeds, because watermelon seed is very helpful to moisturize the hair. It contains anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidants, which helps in boosting scalp circulation and moisturizes without being greasy. So the more blood reaches the scalp, the less hair loss. After blending, the next thing now is to grab a sieve. You can notice this sieve, it is so tiny. If you don't happen to have this kind of sieve, you can make use of a white cloth. So I'm going to be sieving this out and making sure I get all the juice out. It is not a must that you must blend this. You can also go in with your spoon. You can mash it up, scoop them out, mash it up with your spoon, and then sieve out the water. You don't necessarily need to blend this. I just decided to do this, so you can do it either way you want. So after sieving, I decided to grab a spoon. Then I started to press it down for all that juice to come out. So after the juice came out, this is what I had, and the next step now is to transfer this into a spray bottle. Now the next step is to go ahead and spray this onto your hair. Now you can use this treatment as a pre-poo treatment, or you can use it for massaging your hair. So what I'm doing now, I'm making use of it to massage my hair because I already washed my hair. So I'm just showing you guys how to do this. So you want to make divide your hair into sections, maybe 4 or 3, and then you go in with the watermelon juice. You want to start from the roots and then work your way down to the tip, to the ends of your hair. After spraying and massaging into the hair, the next thing now is that I'm wrapping my hair up and then taking a shower cap, covering it up, and then I'm going to let this sit for like about 30 minutes to 1 hour before I rinse it off. So now guys, this treatment helps so much in promoting hair growth. It prevents hair loss and also hair breakage, and you can do this treatment every once in a week or twice in a week, depending on how much time you have. And yes, so your hair will keep on growing, and then you get results if you use this often, and you won't have to worry about hair breakage and hair loss. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, leave your comments on the comment section below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.